Here's the deal. I will go over every single problem from this review, but I'm going to go over it pretty quickly. So if you're watching the YouTube link on here, if you click watch on YouTube, you can adjust the speed. So you can make me talk slower, you can pause it, all of that. Simplify each expression completely. 3 root 300, I know that 300 is 100 times 3. Plus 2 root 27, I know 27 is 9 times 3. Square root of 100 is 10. Square root of 9 is 3. So we've taken the square roots. 3 times 10 root 3 would be 30 root 3. 2 times 3 root 3 would be 6 root 3. They're both root 3, so we can combine them with addition. 30 plus 6 is 36, and your root 3. Great. 5 root 2 times 3 root 50. So if we multiply the 5 times 3, we get 15. The radicals, 2 times 50 is 100. Now 100 is a perfect square. The square root of 100 is 10. So we have 15 times 10, which gives us 150. No more radicals. All right, root 8 minus 4 root 2. I know that 8 is 4 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 root 2 minus 4 root 2. They're both root 2's. So we just do the front. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. And then we have our root 2. Great. Pause whenever you need to. Z to the third over 5z. Remember, you can picture this as one radical if you'd like. Now 5z is 5z to the first. So there are 2 more z's up top. So we're left with root z squared up top and just root 5 in the denominator. We did our exponent property of subtraction. The square root of z squared is z. 5 does not have a perfect square. But remember, we can't have radicals in the denominator. So you can multiply it by root 5 over root 5. And that won't be a problem. So we're left with z root 5 in the numerator. Denominator, square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is just regular 5. All right. Hey, we've got a conjugate here. Root 5 plus 1 times root 5 minus 1. So remember, the shortcut is you square the first terms. Square root of 5 times the square root of 5 is regular 5. You always put a minus, and then you square the last terms. 1 times 1 is 1. So we're left with 5 minus 1, which is 4. Root 3 plus root 2 squared. I'm just going to write it twice. And FOIL. Root 3 times root 3 is root 9, which I know is 3. Root 3 times root 2 is root 6. Root 2 times root 3 is root 6. And root 2 times root 2 is root 4. So let's see, root 9 is 3. We have root 6 plus root 6, which would be 2 root 6. And then the square root of 4 is 2. The only other thing we can combine is the regular stuff. We have 3 plus 2, which is 5. So we have 5 plus 2 root 6. All right, I'll start the next video.